Hagani kejingalang kabelalum do Menteri Rangba kejelau Conrad kongkal sangma ban kemi ya kikam bagi projek beper. Haga jing pentrikam ya ka CM Solar Mission ka PM Kusum bat ke PM Suryaghar. Dak bapai kemat aga ban Pynïar gilat ban yo aga Bording na ke Sngi. Ke bakut bat ke bakot bor ki bat ba akal yang kejela. Letai sani gebut trikam ban penyeso iki solar program jeng kejela bak sarkar pedeng kenang ban Pynïar bat ban kentiu ke jeng pentrikam bat ban penstet iki jeng bo iki rooftop solar system bat kiwe gilat ban penmi Bording na ke Sngi. Kila kemi benia aru akabaydai bak jeng dan pisa ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat letai sani halor kisen jam ban penbhai ke jengla ban penek pensa ke pisa rengkat ke jeng penti kena bakan amdan ke jeng thot ke jeng sam Bording syaki pat ba.
In the power department, we had a review of some of the central schemes like PM Kusum as well as the PM Surya program. In both these programs, as you are aware, that we have to work closely with different agencies as well as different suppliers. In some cases, suppliers who are there listed with the Government of India, and implement and support the different beneficiaries. So we reviewed the entire program of PM Kusum as well as PM Suryaghar program, and we have chalked out strategies on how to ensure that more beneficiaries can get benefits from it. As you're aware, the PM Kusum program is the solar powered pumping irrigation machines, which are of very great importance to our farmers and can be very helpful. So we have targeted that we should ensure that we are able to increase the number of beneficiaries in this financial year. The PM Surya Ghar mission is of course the solar panels to be installed where free electricity will be given to the beneficiaries in terms of the solar panels being installed, and there is a component of the amounts to be given by the beneficiary, him or herself, and a certain amount will be subsidized by Government of India. So we reviewed those programs and we set specific targets, and we have worked out ways in which state government can also play its role to increase the number of beneficiaries and ensure that the implementation is done more efficiently. We also overall discussed about the financial health of the power department and MECL specifically. And I am very happy to see that the overall financial stability has improved to a very large extent in MECL. And on a regular basis, the different financial components of loans and interest payments are being paid, salaries are being paid, pensions are being paid, and the different power agencies to whom we have to pay are also being paid on a regular basis, and collection also has improved drastically. And slowly and steadily, of course, we expect that as we are able to clear our past dues, that in a matter of 5 to 6 years, we will see a very strong stability coming up in the MECL, which will be of great help, as I said, to the power department and to the state as a whole.